Hello, my dear students. Welcome to IMS GATE Academy. Myself, Sandeep Adari. Recently, we have seen so many students asking about, is GATE, can I clear the GATE exam within 6 months? Or is 6 months is enough to clear the GATE exam? So let me answer this with a realistic view. And remember, my dear students, if you are preparing for GATE exam, GATE not only opens the doors for public sector companies or for higher education, the most important thing is if you are preparing for GATE, you can get into the best product-based companies. And if you learn the subject in application way, definitely you will have high chances to get into high packages. Now let us understand in this video, is 6 months are sufficient to write the GATE exam and how you have to prepare to get the best rank. Now, my dear students, whenever you are preparing for the GATE exam or any competitive exam, focus is very important. So when you have to identify the high weightage subjects, you have to focus. You should not deviate between 2-3 subjects. So focus on that subject. Next important thing is consistency. Sir, one day reading 8 hours, next day not reading. This will not help you. Right in these 6 months, if a student has prepared before 9 months or 1 year, you have to push yourself for an extra hour to get in level in par with the student who is preparing from 9 months. So that is the reason focus is very important. After that focus, consistency plays a very right role. And next important is strategy. Sir, suppose if you are reading some subjects in mathematics and aptitude, those two subjects itself will get 28 marks. You name any branch. Suppose if you are preparing from data science, so you have very less subjects. If you can concentrate on the subjects like mathematics and machine learning, most of the marks you can get. If you are from computer science students, subjects like DBMS, C&DS, algorithms, along with maths, if you prepare, definitely you can write DA paper also. So you should have a realistic view. So the most important thing is, for if you are preparing, means in these 6 months, the first thing is you should be very focused. Second important thing is consistency. And third thing is strategy. Strategy means identifying the subjects which are very high weightage. Now see students, what we have to do if we classify into 6 months. So usually month 1 and month 2, we'll do the foundation part. Foundation part means related to maths and aptitude and some subjects in EC if you are reading like digital, networks and analog. If you can complete that 5 subjects in these 2 months, those is like a foundation part. And then you can go for the next level subjects like EMFT, or if you talk about the subjects like power systems or power electronics if you are from electrical. Now, in the month 3 and month 4, so you will be, along with the studying, you have to do practice also. So in this practice, you will attempt some chapter tests and subject tests. And in the month 5, which is very important, you will be doing the revision. So when you are trying to do the revision, you should be ready with your short notes and also formula sheet and solving all the PYQs. So usually what I tell students in the practice sessions means, in the practice, you will be studying. Along with that, you will be doing all the PYQs. So in revision, once your formula sheet, short notes are ready, and definitely you will get good practice, then definitely you will be ready for the GATE exam. Then definitely the 6th month will be for mocks. You will be writing the mocks like All India Mock Test Series, which will be provided by IMS GATE Academy. We will be providing around 12 mock tests, which will be of duration of 3 hours. Now, in these 3 hours, you will be situated time bounded. You will be have to understand how you have written the test. You have to track the test. You have to analyze that test, where you went wrong, where you went correct. So if you do in this way, definitely these 6 months would be sufficient for practice. So usually if I talk about month 1 and 2, my dear students, what I have told you in month 1 and 2, you have to learn the foundation part. Like foundation part means I would say aptitude, maths, and digital and analog. If you are from CS, DBMS, algorithm, data structures, and maths and aptitude, if you can clear these 5 subjects, almost 50 marks will be in your hand. Then you will gain confidence. So first cover core subjects, like important subjects which are having high weightage. Apart from this, build a strong short notes and solve basic problems. So if you can solve basic problems daily, it will give you the confidence boost, and then try to solve all the PYQs. It will add value addition. Now, if you see in the month 3rd and 4th, which you have to do practice. So subject wise, try to solve all the PYQs. And the third and important thing, you can attempt the time bound tests like subject test, chapter test. In this practice also, you have to give some time for reading the core knowledge and start a weak topic which is lagging. Suppose in some particular subject in civil engineering, some students feel RCC and feel they find difficult. Or if you are from mechanical, some students feel in design, mission design or TOM you'll find. So you have to identify your weak topics and try to prepare that. Now, similarly, if I talk about the revision, see, my dear students, any competitive exam revision plays a very important role. Already you are preparing the PYQs, already have done your short notes. So first full cover, if you can prepare all the short notes, if you can cover in that month for all the subjects, definitely you'll be ready. And rework the week list means what you can say, suppose in particular subject in particular areas you find difficult. So give some time to that particular weak areas and try to make it as a strength. And as I told you, if you can revise your short notes and formula sheet, then definitely you will be ready. Now, the most important thing in the final month, what we do is we do testing ourselves. In this, what we have to write? We have to write full length marks. It will be like a GATE exam. It will be a duration of 3 hours. There will be 65 questions. 35 questions will be of 2 marks and 30 questions will be of 1 mark. So you have to attempt these questions and you have to analyze the test where you are going correct and where you are going wrong. And after doing the analyzation, so how you can convert that weak areas into strength, you have to rework and you have to make sure that in the revision you are come up with this. And remember, my dear students, I personally tell you, if you are preparing for GATE sincerely, if you can follow this learn practice test, and if you can divide this 6 months in a proper strategical way, definitely you can qualify for GATE and you can clear good marks also. So if you see for working college student, you can give 4 to 5 hours a day. This is the realistic one. If you are full-time preparation, you can give 7 to 8 hours a day. Because if you can do in this way, like full-time preparation, you can give almost, you can say in this, almost you can say 1,000 hours you can give if you are from a full-time preparation. For college going students, you can give 600 hours of preparation, which would be sufficient for GATE preparation. Now, see, mistakes that waste your 6 months. One thing is you will overthink what to do. Sir, see students, if you are preparing for GATE and if you have to keep a realistic way. If you have done already good preparation in college, then you have to target for 80 marks. No, I am totally new. I have not prepared anything in college. Then you have to make a realistic that I can achieve 60 marks. So in this way, once in your 3 months preparation, it went very well. Then you can target 80 marks. So make it a realistic goal. That definitely will help you. Now, what are the mistakes you come across here is jumping between too many books and too many subjects and skipping mocks and all. The most important is studying without a proper study plan or means you studying or skipping the weak topic or no fixed daily schedule. So these are very important. Don't jump between too many subjects. Skipping mocks is also a big mistake. Studying without a on focus on the weak topics and no fixed daily. These are the weak areas or weakness usually a student do in less time preparation. Please avoid this. Definitely you will have a good time. And remember, as I told you, my dear students, it is not too late for GATE exam. If you are really enthusiastic to learn and learn in an application way, it is the time you can start preparing for GATE. Now, my dear students, we at IMS GATE Academy are offering the offline and online GATE coaching at Bangalore Jayanagar Center and at Malleshwaram and also at Vijayawada. We are providing the one-to-one mentorship. If you want to avoid all these mistakes and get well structured preparation in these 6 months to clear GATE exam and to get into good PSUs or to get into good IITs, definitely you can join our Telegram group and get in touch with our mentors. They'll give you the roadmap for GATE 27. Thank you and all the best.